the Embassy Suites by Hilton SeaTac Airport here in Tukwila, Washington. And we have these glass elevators, which are formerly Montgomery Vectors, but sadly, if you come up to this one right here, they are no longer Vectors. I stayed at this hotel back in 2018, I think, and they were originally Vectors back then, but they got cringe-baited. We'll let that one go. Alright. These are vector key switches. This is a very nice hotel, but elevators sadly got modernized. Going up. Let's go up to 8. They kept the original indicator though. Alright, here we go. That is exactly how the floor passing chime was back in 2018. Yeah, the floor passing chime did that exact same thing. Sounded just like that. It's great. Go to 8. We're supposed to not work. Send you down to 3 and 1. Try to get one of the other ones. I'm pretty sure I stayed in this room right here when I stayed here, 804. Yeah, this is disgusting right here. Doesn't even push right. It's hard to push. Middle one. Elevator number 2. We'll get our cab view. Cabs are still original, and they're very nice cabs. The only part I don't like is the mod. They modded some very rare and cool elevators, which is very sad. You see the original Montgomery door track too. Yeah, these are the only glass Montgomery Vectors I knew of. You can see all the way down. They still run the same, as I remember. This is just a slap on. Same beautiful sounds that most Montgomerys make. We'll go for one more ride. Very close up out the glass. stopping on 5. What the heck? Okay then. That was weird. Here's COP for Innovation Brusier Fixtures. So I'm gonna stop on 4 and see if we can get the other one. Because it's sitting right here. Whoa. I think they have this one turned off. Yep. I will take this one for one more ride. We'll get a shot of the indicator. This one makes some very interesting sounds. Focus camera. Oh, now my camera's not focusing. One last cab view. We'll set it up to 8. You want to go up? They're still nice elevators, but it's just sad that they got innovated. Can't speak. Innovated. Or cringe-vated. That's what I was trying to say, but there it goes. I think they have the bell on top of the elevator because you can hear it from all the way out here. Anyways, here's a look at the atrium. And I guess that will be it.